Welcome to our 4-part series on drip line technology. Let's get started. I want to talk now about Dripnet. So we talked about our different drip tape drippers, and you'll see now I have one that looks much larger, taller, and that's because it's a multi-piece dripper. So this is the Dripnet PC, that stands for pressure compensating. So the water enters here, and then when we pull it apart, it works its way through the filter here, but there's a piece between the labyrinth and the filter intake, and that's the diaphragm. So the diaphragm actually controls the amount of water that can go through the dripper. So regardless if it's dripper number 1 at the beginning of the field or at the very end of the field, 1,000 feet further, the same amount of water is going to come out of dripper 1 versus dripper 1,000, which is very good, especially when it comes to hilly terrain. This is the dripper of choice. So the water then goes past the diaphragm and then through the labyrinth, out this hole, and on this side is sitting outside of the drip line or the drip tape, and it goes onto the crop here. So we sell millions and millions of feet of this particular dripper every year. If you filter your water properly to 120 mesh, the 120 mesh filtration, you'll be able to operate this drip line in clean water conditions for over 30 years. This is a great product.